Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are your research and destruction channel, and we got a cool video for you guys today.
You know it's a good day when you see the 20 mil out.
The 20 mil. This is our new big toy, thanks to our friend Curtis. We appreciate you bringing this out, buddy. We're gonna do a little bit of research and a whole lot of destruction today with this. Thanks to one of our viewers, we actually got some 20 millimeter armor piercing rounds. These are APT rounds, tracers, but these are actually from World War II and they don't trace anymore. But check this out.
So these are actual World War II 20 mil rounds. They even have the Iron Eagle on there. We're not sure when they stopped producing these or if they still make them. I doubt it. From what I understand, the Germans provided them, and who else?
The Swiss.
The Swiss also provided them too.
All right, so we got some cool targets for you guys. Let's show you what we got set up for today.
Smell that, the rounds.
Oh, crap. Sinuses are clear. All right, so if you guys remember in the last 20 millimeter video we did, we shot these buckets of water, as you can see here, and it only went through 3 buckets with the training round. So we're gonna hit it with the armor piercing. We got 6 buckets of water. We'll see if it'll make it through more than 3 of them. Then what we're gonna do is we got this safe right here. The door doesn't shut, but we'll have it held shut. And we're gonna hit this with a training round and also an armor piercing round, just to show you the difference between the two. Then Justin's gonna pop this guy right here. This is kind of like a Riot shield, but it's supposed to be rated for 9 millimeter. So it can take a 9 millimeter round straight to this big plastic piece. Well, we're just gonna see how it holds up against 20 millimeter AP. And last, we are gonna hit this zombie. Both these, again, we thank Ballistic Dummy Lab for sending these to us to try out. We have an RTS level 4 plate. We hit this thing with the 338 Lapua. It stopped it, but we're gonna hit it with the 20 millimeter AP. It's gonna be taped to this guy. We'll see if it can save this zombie's life. So that's what we got for you. Let's get going.
All right, so we're gonna smack these water buckets. Let's see if they can penetrate more, because the water deflected the training rounds, but these may be heavier or have better penetration. Oh God, I forgot how awkward this was. Everyone got your ear holes plugged?
Oh God, that hurt.
Hell yeah. That felt terrible.
Those rounds pack a heck of a lot more punch. It went through all 6 buckets. We should have set up more, but that's all we had. But it did make it in.
So that's the last bucket?
That's the last bucket.
That achieved good penetration on that one.
Very cool. All right. That was awesome. Okay, we're gonna do 2 rounds now. Training round and an AP at the safe. Let's get going.
All right, so the next round up, we're gonna be using a training round. Not sure the velocity on these, not sure the energy on these. Allegedly on these, they're traveling at 2,800 feet per second with 32,000 pounds of energy, and you can definitely feel it. So on the safe door, first round is gonna be the training round, followed by the AP. I'm sure both of them are gonna blast through. This one isn't the heaviest duty of safes. All right, let's see if we can plant this training round right through that dial. I know I complain a lot, but dang.
Whoa!
Cool.
That was awesome!
Hell yeah, it is. It looks like it peeled off the back a little.
Oh, yeah, it sure did. It went all the way through, so good shot right here, Justin. So this is
oh wow,
full of like concrete, which we didn't know, but we know now. Broke that pretty good. Drawer still works. It's on sale. And check out the back here, dude.
Oh sweet.
It looks like the training round packs a pretty good punch to me.
It sure does.
So
well, look at the, you have like a perfectly round hole from like a projectile, tiny little hole here, and then these big holes from shrapnel. And what's that one? Another piece down here.
Yeah,
that seems pretty lethal to me.
Yeah, not bad for a training round. All right, we're gonna shoot the armor piercing one anyways, just see what kind of different damage it does. Justin will shoot at a different location on the front here just to see what happens.
All right, now we're doing the AP versus the safe. All right, you guys ready?
Let's check it out. Justin is recovering fine. That rifle has a lot more energy transfer on the original rounds because they eject the case out as to where the practice ones don't. So we had to give him a minute. All right, really good shot as always. That's why he's shooting these, because, well, he knows what he's doing. I don't. Look at the difference between the AP round and what the training round did once it came apart. So a lot different penetration there. Again, the drawer still works. We're not going to discount this anymore because the drawer still works. And, well, come back this way. Our Icarta target took it like a champ. These are pretty cool targets for long range shooting. But the back, right down here, so actually it was like this hole. It was a much smaller hole on him because it came out right here. All right, it's time for the ballistic shield, but we're gonna hit this one with the training round, so here we go.
All right, I'm really stoked to do this one. The amount of carnage that's gonna happen on this one is gonna be unreal. That's a pretty nice helmet Chris is letting us shoot. Actually wore that one overseas. It's all custom painted and everything. So you want me right between the eyes?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Sweet. Let's check that out.
Wow. If that doesn't make you leave a comment and a thumbs up, man, I really don't know what does. That was a absolute amazing shot. Check this out. Bam. So not quite in between the eyes, but still an absolute good shot right to the head. His brain is sitting over here. We'll look at that in a minute. But yeah, check that out.
Oh, it peeled it out. Muffin cap back blue.
Yeah, it's muffin cap back blue. Just an amazing shot. That was cool. All right.
Look at all the bone fragments.
Everywhere. Here is his brain. This is how Going Ballistic does brain surgery. We just take it out. Look at that. God. Oh, man. Drained all of Chris's condoms. Oh, sorry. I gave his secret away. Pretty cool.
That's gnarly.
That was a good shot, Justin. And check out my helmet. This is where a lot of people, oh, they get all mad, but this helmet served me really well for 3 tours overseas. And, well, this is going to go in our clubhouse because, well,
Wow.
that was just the training round. Again, these rounds, they pack a punch. All right, so now it's on to the torso with the level 4 ceramic RTS, really tough stuff plate. Yeah, I think the 0 penetration, I think we're gonna beat that on this one. So let's go. I think it's towards the back. It's got a hole there.
Yeah.
All right, no mask for you. Hey everybody, before we get into this last shot, give me 90 seconds to tell you a little bit more about ESP, Electronic Shooters Protection, the best hearing protection on the planet. Again, it's not just for shooters, but it's great for shooters because of the noise reduction. Let me tell you a few more things about this, all right? You got 10% off for law enforcement, military, and people in the industry. 20% off for returning customers. Customers are getting 10 plus years out of these things, so they last a long time. They are custom fit. They tune them with a hearing test to each ear. Each ear has its own volume control. These are awesome. They're waterproof with a P2I nano coating, and they have 4 models that range from $1,000 to $2,500. Depending on what your budget is. Hey guys, check out this new color line they have. These things are awesome. The ladies are gonna love it, and guys, if you just want something bright and bam in your ear, they got you covered. But don't worry, they still have all the tactical colors that I like to have. They have a 1-year warranty. It'll cover everything except for loss or if you step on the things. So what are you waiting for? Go to espamerica.com and check them out. There's a lot more information on their website. You need to make every investment to protect your hearing for life. So do it with ESP, Electronic Shooters Protection.
You want me to aim for the hot? All right, zombie friend, it's been real. Time to go bye-byes. Oh, there's pieces everywhere. Oh.
That is disgusting.
That was a good one.
Justin threw me this. This is about 30 feet that way. I'm sure there's something on the other side of the hill. So let's go check out the armor. This, wow. There's the back, the side. I know I told some of you guys at the Dragon Man's Freedom Shoot we're gonna do 2 of these. I thought I was getting 2, I only got 1, but hey, at least we got 1. No bueno for a 20 millimeter AP round. That was insane. Good shooting, Justin. This is cool, but I tell you what, let's look at the rest of it. That was absolutely, well, disgusting. Hit the post right here where the dummy actually was. And look at this carnage, man. This is Hamburger Alley. Oh, though, check it out, Justin.
Oh, we still got the
Still
skull.
got the skull and
The brain in it.
it's still all good.
They put a lot of work into these things.
They
are
do,
absolutely
man. I mean,
beautiful. It's artwork that we destroy.
I know, and these things aren't cheap, but I mean, look at the work Chris and all them put into this. I mean, this is a lot of work to do all this stuff. Wow, that was cool. Can we get a thumbs up on that? Comment, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. That was awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was a lot of fun. Thank you, Ballistic Dummy Lab, ESP, Electronic Shooters Protection, for sponsoring this. Curtis for bringing out his 20.
Oh, yeah, we do appreciate that.
Yeah, this was cool. This is definitely my favorite video. Those shots were awesome. We did find a friend with a 20 millimeter Solatherm, and what we're gonna do soon is 20 millimeter Lottie versus Solatherm. So stick around, and that'll be coming out soon. Thank you all for watching, and we'll be back.